Guys, in today's video it's going to be another gardening video. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful succulent centerpiece made out of a simple vase. I'm not a gardener, I'm letting you know right now. I'm not a professional at this. I'm just going to show you what works for me and what I've been doing for years. So if you want to see how I do my own succulent centerpieces, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. With no further ado, let's get to it. So this is a finished product. I really like the look. I like how it turned out. It was so fun to do also. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, well, you can subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.